Hello and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Now, these are the last two parts to that midnight blue SUV. Let's begin. And yes, these are the last two parts, pieces that we need to paint for this midnight blue SUV, and we should be good to go. Now let's begin. Let's start applying that sealer and go from there. Here we go. The first coat and the only coat of sealer that this hood and trunk needs. And I'm not gonna paint the interior of the trunk, the hood. Reason being, there's a heat shield that covers all of it. I'm probably just gonna miss some paint a little bit, but I don't really mind about that. But everything else is getting painted. It's looking good. Let's just wait those 15-20 minutes, come back, start applying that first coat of base. There it is, the first coat of that midnight blue. Now, right now it's 93 degrees, so I am using slow reducer, but I am gonna wait 20 minutes instead of 15. I just don't want anything to occur because it's extremely hot. But there it is, first coat, looking nice. We're gonna wait those 20 minutes, come back and apply 2 more coats. I'm gonna apply 2 coats on the inside and 3 coats on the outside. Inside doesn't need that much, but the outside does need those 3 coats, and we'll be good. I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat has been applied, and you can see it. There it is, 3 full wet coats of that midnight blue pearl. Now, all I'm gonna do, wait 20 minutes and start applying that clear. Again, the clear I am using is Slim K30 High Solids Clear. So far, this clear has worked very, very good. Lays down flat. I've had no issues. I've never used it before, but it's turning out to be a really good clear. So what we're gonna do, again, wait 20 minutes. Bring you back when I'm gonna start applying the clear. There you go, guys, first coat of clear, and it's looking really nice, really flat. Regarding this clear coat, it does leave it really flat. So if you've, as you can see that I have the hood hanging, a lot of people are gonna say that's not the way you paint the hoods. But if you've never tried painting this way, try it. There's a lot less dirt that lands on those pieces hanging like this. That's the reason I hang this also. As you can see, so far no dirt at all. I did wet the floor. Now it's dried up, but I did wet the floor and the walls and everything. So let's bring it back once the third coat of clear has been applied so that I can show it to you and we'll be done. Here you go. 3 full wet coats of that clear and I am done with this midnight blue SUV. All I gotta do is just put it back together and that's it. I'll be done. So regarding this clear, guys, this clear's laying down real flat and so far no issues. I like it. I like it. There you go, guys. All right. This is going to be it, guys. This is going to be it for this video. And the next video is going to be the review. I'm going to assemble everything back together and just show it to you guys. But all in all, it's turning out to be a great vehicle. Looking nice and shiny. All right. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you this coming weekend. And like always, have a great week. Have a great weekend. Stay safe and God bless.